How to fix Snapchat lag on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and restart phone from here. After restart phone, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and update. You will see click on software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not, let us update your software latest. After update software latest, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to end, click on system and update, click on backup and reset, reset phone and click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, so it just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so reinstall your Snapchat app. After reinstall your Snapchat app, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Snapchat lag on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.